G'day and welcome to Mark and Sam After Work. Today I'm doing another product video for our 4AW web store, and I'm dealing with a little issue we've banged into in the way of with this, what we've got in front of us. These are our data recording system. We have our field log folder, and we have our the file for the recorded data, or the dope file, is what the basics of the system are, and inside you'll see what they actually run with. It's basically data recording sheets, which we have set up in, and you can basically one sheet that goes through and records all of your weather info, your load info, and the other sheet that records what the shot was and the data that goes with it, both expected and you gain data. That's what that folder is. That's your field logs. So you take it out with you, fill out all that sort of stuff out there. And over here, these are my own ones. This is just a ring binder file that you can put in as for your different calibers, whether there's 1 or there's 10 or whatever it is. I have a couple of different folders like that to set up for the different calibers I shoot. That all comes with, and the way it normally comes with, the full set comes with papers, 50 of each. You can get more, you get 100 of each, whatever it is, of papers. We do those two plus another one which has multiple shots on it for multiple target days, and we send them out like that. The negative on that form, very nice, as you can see, nice finished paper. It's all set out nicely, all that sort of stuff. But the negative is paper is heavy. Paper are trees. So you send trees around the world, and the weight of the paper essentially ends up costing a lot in the way of shipping or freight costs. And in some cases, to some places, you're spending more on shipping than you are on the paper itself or on the log itself. So a way to remedy that is what we can send out, and we'll do a template set, which means you'll get one of these, you'll get one of these, so one file, one log folder, and one template, which will simply be, it's a nice piece of photo cardboard with a template set out on it, which you'll then be able to scan and copy, kick the little file on your computer, or just put it in there and scan, get as many copies as you want, whether it's 1 or it's 100 or whatever type thing, put it into any printer and scan them. I've set it up so that there's a white line in the middle. You can cut them in half neatly. I've also put some little tiny black lines here, so you can turn that into the two sheets, which gives you exactly the same thing. So in that form, like I said, and you can use, whether it's plain paper, it's photo paper, whatever it is, you can choose your paper and you can print as many as you like, and forever. That means that you don't need to get any more supplies. That the stuff that we do is quite nice. It's quite nice paper. It's got rounded edge corners and that sort of stuff. I should show how that works. This does have just simply little slip-in points, so that you can slip that there and that under there, so they actually slip in and hold in the folder like you see there. But for dealing with freight costs, and happy to print it out yourself, this template here should be the remedy to that situation. So it'll be the template kit. I'll put it on there so it's clear to see. You'll still have the option of being able to buy the kit with 50 sheets of each if freight costs are not an issue, or shipping costs are not an issue for you. But for those where it is an issue, where you're pushing the boundaries, you spend a lot of money for that sort of stuff, this brings it down into a nice minimum kit. You get the folder, you get the nice pretty looking stuff, you get a template to be able to print up as many as you like, you're away and racing. So listen, I hope that helps the people that is an issue for. We certainly will do what we can to help on that side of things. Thanks for checking us out. We'll catch you next time.